Electric bikes are transforming how people commute, explore trails, and run errands. Sales have skyrocketed over 300% in the last 3 years as more riders discover the perfect blend of exercise and electric assistance. Today, we're breaking down the absolute best electric bikes you can buy right now for every type of rider and budget. These aren't just regular bikes with motors slapped on. Each model solves specific problems, from apartment dwellers needing compact storage to adventure seekers wanting off-road capability. Let's dive into the top performers in each category. Best commuter e-bike, Schwinn Kosten Step Through. The Schwinn Kosten combines classic brand reliability with modern electric performance. This step-through commuter packs a 250-watt rear hub motor that hits speeds up to 20 miles per hour, perfect for beating traffic without breaking a sweat. The 288 watt-hour battery delivers approximately 35 miles of range, enough for most weekly commutes on a single charge. When you do need to recharge, the fast charging system gets you back on the road in about 4 hours. What makes the Kosten stand out is its thoughtful design. The step-through aluminum frame makes mounting and dismounting effortless even in work clothes. The front suspension absorbs street bumps, and you get both pedal assist and throttle modes for complete control over your ride. Schwinn includes built-in lights for safety and disc brakes for reliable stopping power. Available in multiple frame sizes for proper fit, the Kosten has earned a solid 4.1-star rating from buyers. Priced between $950 and $1,100, this bike hits the sweet spot for urban commuters who want comfort, reliability, and Schwinn's established customer support. Best budget e-bike, Jashin EB5. Not everyone needs to spend thousands for quality electric transportation. The Jashin EB5 delivers surprising performance at just $400 to $600, making it the perfect entry point into e-biking. This budget hybrid packs a 500-watt peak brushless motor, 350 watts nominal, and a removable 360 watt-hour battery that provides around 40 miles of range. Despite the low price, it reaches the same 20 miles per hour top speed as bikes costing twice as much. The mountain bike style frame comes equipped with 7-speed Shimano gearing, mechanical disc brakes, and front suspension to handle city streets or light trails. You get 3 levels of pedal assist plus a thumb throttle for complete control. With over 1,700 Amazon reviews averaging 4.2 stars, the Jashin EB5 has proven itself as a legitimate budget performer. It's ideal for campus rides, commuting on a budget, or weekend cruises on paved or gravel paths, all without breaking the bank. Best fat tire e-bike, VeloWave Ranger FM TB3. When the pavement ends, the VeloWave Ranger begins. This all-terrain beast features massive 4-inch fat tires mounted on a durable aluminum frame that can handle almost any surface: sand, snow, gravel, or dirt. The 750-watt Bafang rear hub motor, with peaks around 1,200 watts, delivers serious power, propelling you up to 28 miles per hour with pedal assist. The 720 watt-hour battery provides 25 to 40 miles of range, depending on terrain and assist level. With 5 pedal assist levels plus throttle mode, the Ranger conquers hills and rough terrain that would stop lesser bikes. The front suspension fork and hydraulic disc brakes provide control when things get technical. Despite its rugged capabilities, the Ranger includes refined touches like a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain and an informative LCD display. The 300-pound load capacity accommodates larger riders with gear. Priced around $1,200 to $1,399, this mid-range fat bike has earned approximately 4.5 stars from riders who praise its power and versatility. It's the perfect choice for all-season riding, off-road adventures, or as a stable commuter for larger riders. Hit subscribe if you're enjoying this breakdown of the best electric bikes on the market. We post new tech reviews every week to help you make smarter buying decisions. Best full suspension e-mountain bike, Paselec GS9. Mountain bike trails demand suspension that can absorb punishment from rocks, roots, and drops. The Paselec GS9 delivers true dual suspension performance at a price that won't require a second mortgage. For $750 to $900, you get a 500-watt rear hub motor capable of 28 miles per hour speeds, matched with a substantial 624 watt-hour integrated battery, providing 30 to 50 miles of range. The 27.5-inch wheels strike the perfect balance between agility and stability on trails. The full suspension frame, front fork plus rear shock, absorbs impacts from both directions, protecting both the rider and the bike's components. The 9-speed Shimano drivetrain provides gearing for even the steepest climbs, while disc brakes deliver confident stopping power. With both pedal assist and throttle modes, you can choose between an authentic mountain biking experience or full electric power when needed. The bike weighs about 60 pounds, respectable for a dual suspension EMTB. While some components are generic, the 3.8-star average rating confirms that the GS9 delivers tremendous value for trail enthusiasts and weekend warriors who want dual suspension comfort without spending a fortune. Best Cruiser e-bike 630 around the block. Not every ride needs to be a race or an expedition. The 630 around the block brings electric assistance to the classic beach cruiser design, perfect for relaxed neighborhood rides and short-distance commuting. Available in both 250-watt and 500-watt motor options, this stylish cruiser can reach 15 to 28 miles per hour depending on the model. The 500-watt version typically provides around 40 miles of range, plenty for casual riders. The bike's retro design features an upright riding position with wide handlebars and a plush saddle that prioritizes comfort over aerodynamics. Available in both step-through and traditional frames, it maintains the laid-back cruiser vibe while adding modern electric capabilities. With a 7-speed drivetrain, pedal assist, and throttle, the Around the Block handles flat city roads with ease. It's earned a 4.4-star average rating from customers who praise its comfort and smooth ride quality. Priced between $900 to $1,300, this e-cruiser is perfect for easygoing neighborhood rides, beach boardwalks, and stylish trips around town. It's essentially a classic beach cruiser with an electric boost. Best City Commuter, Haybike Cityscape. Urban commuting demands practicality, and the Haybike Cityscape comes fully equipped right out of the box. This step-through city bike arrives ready for daily use with fenders, a rear cargo rack, bright headlight, and even a horn. The 350-watt brushless motor, 500-watt peak, and 36-volt battery deliver approximately 40 miles of range and a top speed around 20 miles per hour, ideal for city traffic. 3 levels of pedal assist plus throttle provide options for every situation from exercise to effortless cruising. What sets the Cityscape apart is its focus on comfort during daily commutes. The bike features dual shock absorption through both the front fork and a suspension seat post, smoothing out potholes and road imperfections. The low step-through frame makes mounting and dismounting simple, even in work attire. With over 300 Amazon reviews averaging 4.5 stars, the Cityscape has proven itself as a reliable commuter. Priced around $700 to $900, it represents excellent value for a complete package that's ready for the daily grind without requiring additional accessories. Best Folding e-bike, Haybike Mars. Storage space is precious in apartments and small homes. The Haybike Mars solves this problem with a folding frame design that collapses for easy storage while still delivering impressive electric performance. The Mars features a 500-watt rear motor, peaking at 750 to 1,000 watts, paired with a removable 624 watt-hour battery, good for up to 50 miles of range. Despite its compact size, it reaches speeds of 20 to 25 miles per hour. What makes this folding bike unique are the 20-inch fat tires. At 4 inches wide, these tires provide stability and traction on a variety of surfaces from city streets to light trails, sand, and even snow. Dual shock absorbers, front fork and seat suspension further enhance comfort. The Mars comes equipped with built-in lights and LCD display, and both pedal assist and twist throttle options. Despite folding down small enough for a car trunk, it supports riders up to 265 pounds. With over 750 reviews averaging 4.5 stars, this $800 to $1,000 folding e-bike has proven its versatility. It's ideal for commuters with limited storage, RV travelers, and anyone who wants electric mobility that can go anywhere and store anywhere. Want to stay updated on the latest tech reviews? Hit the subscribe button. New videos drop every week covering everything from e-bikes to the latest gadgets. Most portable e-bike, Swagtron SwagCycle EB5. For the ultimate in portability, the Swagtron SwagCycle EB5 redefines compact e-biking. This ultra-light 37-pound folding bike features 14-inch wheels and a minimal footprint that can fit under a desk or in a closet. The 250-watt motor and 36-volt battery provide a range of about 15.5 miles and top speed of 15 miles per hour. Modest specs focused on short trips rather than long journeys. Think last-mile transportation from transit stops or quick campus rides. The single-speed drivetrain keeps things simple, while the adjustable seat accommodates riders from kids to adults. Both pedal assist and throttle modes are available, making it versatile for different situations. While it lacks the bells and whistles of larger e-bikes, the EB5's 4-star rating from hundreds of users confirms its usefulness as an ultra-portable electric option. Priced between $300 to $600, commonly around $350, it's also one of the most affordable entry points into e-biking. This compact e-bike shines for city dwellers in small apartments or commuters who need to carry their bike on public transportation. It's essentially a compact urban scooter bike hybrid, perfect for short hops. Fastest folding e-bike Allure EUI. The Allure EUI combines portability with impressive performance metrics. This folding fat tire bike packs a powerful 750-watt rear motor with an advertised top speed of 30 miles per hour, though most riders report mid-20s in real-world conditions. The 48-volt 12.8 amp-hour Samsung battery provides approximately 35 miles of range, enough for longer commutes or weekend adventures. At 69 pounds, it's heavier than ultra-compact folders but still collapses small enough for apartment storage or trunk transport. The step-through folding frame includes an integrated rear cargo rack, perfect for carrying groceries or work gear. Front fork suspension and a suspension seat post deliver a smoother ride over urban obstacles. With a 7-speed transmission, bright LED headlight and LCD screen, the Allure EUI doesn't sacrifice features for its folding design. Throttle-enabled with Class 3 capability when unlocked, it's faster than most bikes in its category. Priced around $1,000 to $1,199, this folding powerhouse has earned 4+ star ratings, with riders praising its speed and value. The 1-year warranty on battery and motor adds confidence for this newer brand. The Allure EUI is perfect for riders seeking a fast, powerful commuter that can still fold for convenience, essentially blurring the line between a traditional e-bike and a moped-style ride. Best cargo e-bike, Hemiway Big Dog. For serious hauling power, the Hemiway Big Dog transforms the e-bike from recreation to utility. This cargo-focused machine features a 750-watt rear hub motor with 86 Newton-meters of torque and an extended frame that supports up to 400 pounds of payload. The massive 48-volt 20-amp-hour battery, 960 watt-hours, delivers impressive range, 60 to 80 miles on pedal assist, or around 40 miles using the throttle. With a top speed of 25 miles per hour, it keeps pace with urban traffic even while fully loaded. The Big Dog's long rear rack platform accommodates baskets, panniers, or even a passenger seat, making it perfect for grocery runs, deliveries, or family transportation. Sturdy 20-inch fat tires provide stability under load, while hydraulic disc brakes ensure reliable stopping regardless of cargo weight. The step-through frame design makes mounting easy despite the bike's 79-pound heft, and the adjustable seat fits riders from 5 feet 1 inch to 6 feet 5 inches. Built-in lights and a sturdy kickstand round out the practical features. At $1,999 to $2,099, the Big Dog represents a premium investment, but its 4.4-star Amazon rating confirms its value for those who need serious carrying capacity. The included 2-year warranty provides peace of mind for this car replacement level of transportation. The Hemiway Big Dog is the ultimate choice for hauling cargo, kids, or big loads around town, essentially replacing a car for many local trips while still handling hills, parks, and varied terrain. The electric bike market has matured dramatically, offering specialized solutions for every type of rider. Whether you need a compact folder for apartment living, a powerful off-roader for weekend adventures, or a practical cargo hauler for daily errands, There's now an e-bike engineered specifically for your needs. Prices have also become more accessible, with quality options starting under $500 and premium models delivering car-replacing utility for under $2,000. Battery technology continues to improve, with many bikes now offering 40-plus mile ranges, enough for most weekly commuting needs on a single charge. If you're considering making the switch to electric-assisted cycling, there's never been a better time. The technology has proven reliable, the infrastructure is expanding, and the options cover every imaginable use case.